What's up, YouTube? In today's video, we're gonna learn how to wrap a car behind the scenes. I'm gonna give you guys a lot of tips and tricks for a do-it-yourself wrapper. If you're looking to wrap your car for the first time or you want tips and tricks on how to perfect it and make sure it comes out perfect. If you guys like the video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what else you guys wanna see. Let's go. Oh yeah, already looks better. White is right. Bro, my paint is all cut.
today?
Yeah.
I pretty much did that myself. I came out fucking bad.
Doing.
Holy shit. Someone go get a sleeve right now. Smoky feeling that casino night.
Burn the wrap right off.
That's tough.
It looks crazy.
Let him cook. Let him cook now. Let him cook. I said let him cook.
Came out really nice, a lot better than the last wrap I did. The last wrap was tech wrap. This is 3M 2080, their 2080 line. A lot better quality, a lot easier to work with than the Chinese stuff. This is the final product. While we were wrapping it, we also had to raise it up a little bit, and some of my coilovers were seized. I had to raise it up because I put bigger tires on here. These are 245s. I had 215s, and the car was 1.5 inches lower than it is right now. So I had to raise it up. Wanted to try more of like a track style setup. I don't know, I got a decent amount of power now. Nothing too crazy, but I want to be able to drive it, not scrape everywhere, and go to the beach without having to worry about blowing off my fenders and my bumpers and stuff like that. Since I re-wrapped it white, I wanted everything to be white. I really wanted clear headlights. So my guy, Subaru WRX, he split the lenses off these headlights, sprayed everything chrome and silver. And the badges, JakeSubie on Instagram, I sent him my badges, and he did custom work to these too. So these are OEM badges. It's like the cool little things that not many people do that make your build stand out, to me personally. And I really like how the all white, all clear chrome look came out. That's gonna be it. If you guys want any stickers or anything custom made, I make stickers. My website will be in the description. I made that. I have these little flame decals for your mirror. I can make anything you want. I made this windshield banner. All types of custom stuff that you guys may need, anything you can think of, or if you can't think of it, I'll think of it. All right guys, that's pretty much gonna wrap up the video about how to wrap your car, how to wrap a Subaru in general with all the crazy body lines it has. If you guys have any questions about anything, just drop something down in the comments.